Hello everyone. So in this video I'll be explaining the problem make palindrome. So this is an easy problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem statement. You are given an array of string means you have been given an array of strings of size n, and you have to find out that is it possible to make palindromes by concatenating the strings in any order. Okay. Also the strings are of the equal length. So what they're saying basically is that you have been given n strings and you have to concatenate them. You can't rearrange the string itself. Okay, so you have to concatenate the strings and make palindrome. You have to answer that whether you can make palindrome or not. Okay, so let's move on to the problem approach. Let's suppose we have been given several strings like s1. So in order to make palindrome, what I want is the reverse of s1. Okay, so this string I'll put at the end of the my answer string, and this should be the reverse of this string. Okay, I hope it is clear that in this case only it can be a palindrome. So what I'll do basically is I'll start iterating over my string array, and before that I'll maintain a map which will be helping me in removing the strings which have been already taken. Okay, so for example here I'll start from ABC. So I'll check whether the reverse of ABC is present in my map or not, so that I can place ABC here and CBA here at the end. Okay, so I'll check whether the reverse of ABC is present in my map or not. So ABC CBA, okay, here it is present. After taking this, I'll make their frequencies equals to 0. Why so? Because it might be possible that later we will find again ABC, and for that we are not having CBA again, because this has been already used, so we can't take it again. We will make the frequency of the used strings as 0. Okay, I hope it is clear. Again we will move to the next. So this has been already taken, so we don't have to care about this. We will move to the next, BDB. So in order to make palindrome, the reverse of BDB should be present in our map. So BDB is here and the reverse of BDB, it is not present. So right now we will not do anything. We will move to the next. Okay, AMP. So in order to make palindrome, the reverse of MP should be present in the map. AMP and PMA, it is present. Okay, so let me write it here, AMP, and the reverse of that PMA we will write here. So till now it is forming a palindrome. You can see here that it is forming a palindrome. Okay, and we will make the frequency of these 0 as well. Now what will happen again after performing all the operations? Okay, we will iterate over our map and check how many strings are still left. If the number of left strings are more than 1, then we are sure that we can't make palindrome. Why so? Let's suppose that we are left with 3 strings in our map. Okay, and it is sure that this string is not the reverse of anyone, and this is also not the reverse of anyone, and this is also not the reverse of any two of S1 or S2. So if these strings are not the pairwise reverse of anyone, so we can't put any strings like S1 here and S2 here. Okay, we have to make, for example, let's suppose ABC and the reverse is not present, so PQR is the another string. So if we put that strings like this will not make a palindrome. Okay, in order to make palindrome, these two should be the reverse of each other. So if the remaining strings, number of remaining strings are more than 1, then the answer is definitely false. Okay, we can't make palindrome. And if the only one string is remaining, then what we can do, we can put that string in between our answer. Okay, like here we can put the one remaining string, and there will be one more condition on that middle string also, that one remaining string, that string should be palindrome itself. Okay, why so? Because if we are putting that string in the middle of our answer, then that string should be palindrome, because there is no reverse present for that string on the left or on the right hand side. So for example, if I'm putting that string in the middle like PQR, then this is definitely not making a palindrome, because this string should be palindrome itself. P should be here, should be P present. Now it is making palindrome. On the left hand side and on the right hand side, all strings are equal to each other. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Let me show you the code of this problem. So here I have taken a map and I have incremented the frequency of all the strings in our map. After that, I have started iterating over my string array which have been given in the problem. Okay, and what I'm doing that I'm storing the each string in a temporary string, and I'm reversing that and checking if the frequency of reverse string is present in our map, means it is greater than 0, then I'll decrementing the frequency of the reverse string and the string on which we are currently standing on. Both have been decremented by 1. Okay, so after that I'm maintaining a remain variable which will be storing all the strings which have been not paired still. Okay, so after that I'm iterating over my map and checking if the frequency of that particular string is greater than 0, means that have been not paired yet, and if it is not palindrome itself, then I'm returning false, because as I have explained you that the remaining string should be palindrome itself in order to place that string in between our answer. Also I'm counting the remaining string, number of remaining strings, and if the number of remaining strings is less than equal to 2, means less than 2, it should be either 0 or it should be either 1. If it will be 1, then we will place in between our answer, or it will be 0, then it is already a palindrome. So if the remaining count of remaining strings will be less than 2, then it will return true, either it will return false. So let's try to submit it and see. Okay, it is working fine. So thank you guys for watching the video.